Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab flakes. First, begin with high-quality cooked crab meat, ideally from a Dungeness or blue crab, for the best flavor and texture. Carefully inspect the meat to remove any lingering shell pieces or cartilage, as these can detract from the final product. It's crucial that your crab meat is thoroughly dry before you proceed to the flaking stage, which helps achieve that perfect, light consistency. Once your crab meat is clean and dry, it's time to flake it. Use your fingers to gently pull the meat apart, creating small, distinct flakes. The goal is to achieve a light, airy texture, not a shredded or mashed consistency. Be careful not to overhandle the crab, as this can break down its delicate fibers and make it less appealing. This step is key to the overall quality of your crab flakes. To enhance the natural sweetness of your crab flakes, you can add a light seasoning. A small pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice often work wonders. Some prefer a tiny dash of white pepper for an extra layer of flavor. Once seasoned, transfer your crab flakes to an airtight container. They will remain fresh and delicious in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, ready for your culinary creations. Crab flakes are incredibly versatile. They are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to salads, sandwiches, or even a morning omelet. You can also incorporate them into delicious crab cakes, creamy seafood dips, or a flavorful pasta dish. If you have more flakes than you can use immediately, spread them in a single layer on a baking sheet and freeze them. Once frozen, transfer to a freezer bag for up to 1 month.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.